very good morning to everyone. How you all are? I know that you all are very fine in keeping yourself very healthy at your homes. Here I, Swati, along with my LFS family, welcomes you in the online tutorial of Little Flower School, Raptinagar, Gorakhpur. I will be taking your mathematics class. Before moving further, I would like to congratulate to all the tiny tots, those who have come in class 1. Once again, congratulations to everyone, those who have come in class 1. Okay. Before starting the class, I would like to tell to all the dear parents that all the online classes will be available at our school YouTube channel, that is Little Flower School, Chargawa, Raptinagar and LFS Raptinagar online classes. On these two platforms, you will get all the online classes. Okay. And for the notes and the homeworks, kindly visit our official website, that is www.lfsraptinagarac.in. Again, I am repeating, for all the homework and notes, please continuously visit our website, that is www.lfsraptinagar.ac.in. I hope you got it. Okay, and please cope up with us. Without your help, we cannot do anything. Okay. So before moving further, I would like to tell you that this year we will be using practice mathematics. Let's practice mathematics. Okay, this is the book that we will be using this year, and the publication name is Green Earth Publication. Okay, so how many chapters are there in your book now? In maths, this year we will be doing how many chapters? We will do 15 chapters, okay, and their names are Chapter 1, Revision, Chapter 2, Numbers up to 9 and 0, Chapter 3, Ordinal Numbers, Chapter 4, Numbers 10 to 20, Chapter 5, Shapes Around Us, Chapter 6, Numbers 1 to 100, Chapter 7, Addition, Chapter 8, Subtraction, Chapter 9, Skip Counting, Chapter 10, Multiplication, Chapter 11, Measurement, Chapter 12, Measurement of Time, Chapter 13, Money, Chapter 14, Patterns, and Chapter 15, Data Handlings. Okay, total 15 chapters we will do this year, and today we will start our first chapter. Okay, today we will start our first chapter. That is what our first chapter is. Chapter number 1, Revision. What is chapter number 1? Chapter number 1 is revision. Okay, chapter number 1 is revision. Okay, chapter 1 is revision. Chapter 1 is revision. In revision, we will revise all the things that we had already done in UKG class. Okay, in this chapter we will try to revise all the things that we had already done in class UKG. Okay, so what is our first topic? Our first topic is, in the revision, our first topic is bigger and smaller. What is our first topic? Our first topic is bigger and smaller. Bigger and smaller. This is our first topic. Okay, so for that I am taking two things. Okay, these two things are there. Okay, in these two things, can you tell me which one is bigger and which one is smaller? This one is smaller. No, this one. Which one? This one is smaller and this one is bigger. Which one? Tell. Kindly tell. Yes, this one is smaller and this one is bigger. Okay, if we are taking two or more than two things and comparing, okay, so which thing is looking small in size, that is called that thing will be smaller, and the thing which is bigger in size, that is called bigger. Okay, many things we can take an example. Many things is around us. For example, we can take these two things also. In these two things, which one is bigger and which one is smaller? This one is bigger and this one is smaller. Okay. For bigger and smaller, I just want to ask one question to you. Okay. Among you and your mother, okay, among you and your mother, whose hands are bigger, yours or your mother's? Tell me. Once again, I am repeating the question. Among you and your mother, okay, among you and your mother, whose hand is bigger and whose hand is smaller? Which one? Yes, your mother's hands are bigger than your hands and your hands are smaller than your mother's hand. Okay, means while we are comparing anything, that time we are using the word which is big, that is called bigger, and which is small, that is called smaller. Okay, did you get? One more example, can you tell me? One more thing, can you tell me? This book I have taken. I have this book, okay, and I have this duster. Which one is bigger and which one is smaller? Tell me, which one is bigger and which one is smaller? This one is bigger. This one is bigger. Which one is bigger? Miss don't know this answer, huh? Tell me which one is bigger. Yes, this one is bigger. You know the answer. Very good. Clap for you. Clap for you. This one is smaller. I hope you got the answer. What is bigger and what is smaller? Okay. So for this only, what you have to do. Here are some questions in your book. Okay. Here are some questions in your book. You can easily find out the answer. Okay. Here are some in your book. See. Check the bigger object and put a cross on the smaller object. These questions are there in your book. Try to do it with the help of your parents. And I think so you don't need your parents' help. You are very smart. You can do it by your own, no? Yes, I know it. Okay. So here also one very, very, very good activity is there. What is the activity? Draw a bigger candle and color it. Draw a bigger candle and color it. You know now that this one is the candle. So next bigger candle you have to draw. That one will be which size? Bigger or smaller? You know it, no? So this you have to do. Okay? Miss will ask in the next turn that whether you had done your homework or not. Okay? Next one. Next topic. I hope you understand bigger and smaller, no? Yes. Our next topic is what? Our next topic is what? Our next topic is biggest and smallest. Yes, dear students, biggest and smallest. Biggest and smallest. Biggest and smallest. Don't ask that you had already done. You did what? We had done what? We had done bigger and smaller. When we are comparing two things, that time we are using bigger and smaller. Which thing is big in size? That is called bigger. Which thing is smaller in size? That is called smaller. But here, little bit difference is there. What is the difference? Let's see with me. Now this time I will be taking three things together. These three things will be together with me. Okay? This and this. Three things are there. Okay? Three things. Okay, dear students. While we are comparing three things together, that time we are using which word? That time we are using biggest or smallest. Okay? If you are comparing, if you are looking which is the bigger one or which is big one, that time we are using biggest. And if you are searching for the smaller one, that time we are using what? That time we are using smallest. Okay, so on that note we had done with the two things. Here we are using three things. Okay, so for this one and this one, we have to find out that which one is biggest. Which one is biggest? So for finding out which one is big or which one is biggest, we will be using three things. We will be using three words. That is what? That is what? Big, bigger, and biggest. What we are using? Big, bigger, and biggest. Okay, so this Big we are using for the thing, okay, which is smaller in these things, or biggest we are using in the thing which is the most biggest here. Okay, so in this, which one is bigger here? Which one is big here? This one, or this one? This one, no? Here. Yes, this one is big. Okay, and the next thing which is little bit more big than this one is called bigger. It's called bigger. And the last one, which is most biggest, that is called what? Biggest. Okay, that is called what? Biggest. So among all three, which one has more height or more length? That is called what? That is called biggest. Okay, that is called biggest. And which one has less height or less length? That is called big. Okay, no, that is called big among these three. Okay, no, big, bigger, and biggest. Big, bigger, and biggest. Okay, so for these notes here, big, bigger, biggest, you can see some exercises are there. You can find out some exercises are there. See here, this is the puppy, this is one more puppy, this is one more puppy. See, I told you, no, three things are there. Here three things are there, no? Okay, no, three things. This one is big, this is little bit more big, so it will call bigger, and this is the bigger one among these things, among these dogs. It will be called what? It will be called biggest. It will be called biggest. Okay, here also one more things are there, one more exercise is there. 3 glasses are there. Okay, 3 glasses are there, and among 3 glasses you have to tell which one is biggest. This one is biggest, this one is biggest, or this one is biggest. Tell me which one is biggest. I told you, no, with this example I told you, no, in the biggest means which looks more in height, means which has more in height, more heights among all 3. That is called what? Biggest. Okay, one more example I would like to ask. Okay, in your home, okay, in your home, whose legs are biggest? Or no, whose pencil is biggest? No, this also you don't want to know. Okay, tell me that at your home, who has biggest phone? Suppose you have 3 phones. Okay, so can you tell me who has biggest phone? Biggest means which one is very big in size among all 3. Okay, and which has big phone? If we will talk about big only, which has big phone? The smaller one. Okay, that is called big. Which is little bit more big than smaller one, that is called bigger. And which is more in among 3, that is called what? That is called biggest. That is called what? Biggest. So here this one, this page number 5 and page number 6, page number 5 and page number 6, these 2 pages kindly do. Let's, in the next session I will ask you that what your answer has come. Okay, now what your answer has come. Okay, moving further, here also you can see, tick the biggest one, tick the smallest one. Smallest means what? That is smallest one, small in size, which has least in size, that is called smallest, and which has more big size, that is called what? Biggest. That is called what? Biggest. I hope you will understand it, and you will try to do page number 5 and page number 6 in your books. Okay. Okay, afterwards one more topic we will do. One more topic we will do. That is what? One more topic we will do. That is taller and shorter. Taller and shorter. Among you and your mother, tell me, among you and your mother. Who is taller and who is shorter? Among you and your mother, you, okay, you and your mother. Who is taller and who is shorter? Who? You are taller than your mother. My God, you are shorter than your mother? No? Then who is taller and who is shorter? How do we know that who is taller and who is shorter? Yes, you are shorter one and your mother is taller one. Who is big in length? Okay, who is big in height? That is taller. Okay, and if we will compare two heights together, okay, the person who has more height, okay, your mother. Here we had taken one example, no, who has more height or more length, that is called what? That is called taller. Okay, so among these two, who is taller? Among you and your mother, who is taller? You or your mother? Who? Yes, your mother. She is what? She is taller. Now who is shorter? You? Yes, among you and your mother, you are shorter. You are shorter. Okay, among you and your mother, you are shorter than your mother and your mother is taller than you. Okay, got it? Are you getting my point? Yes. So with the help of taller and shorter, for taller and shorter, we will do one more thing. See, here also one example has given. I don't know that you are taller or your sister is taller. That's why I have given the example of your mother. Obviously, your mother is taller than you, know. My mother is also taller than me. My father is also taller than me. Okay, so here I have given. That's why I have given the example of your mother. Okay, here also in the book also you can see this boy is taller and this girl is shorter. Okay, when we are talking about height or length anyone's, then we are using which word? Then we are using taller and shorter. Okay, here you can see this boy is taller than this girl and this girl is shorter than this boy. Same to same as you are shorter than your mother and your mother is taller than you. Okay, no? Yes, very good. So here also some exercises are there. Okay, I hope you will do that. See, two seesaw are there. Which one is bigger and which one is smaller? Which one? Which one is taller? Which one is shorter? Taller, shorter. Which one? Which one? This one. Yes. Which one is taller and shorter? Which one taller and shorter? This one is taller and this one is shorter. Next one is what? Which one is taller and shorter? This one is taller and this one is shorter. Next question is what? Take the tallest and cross the shortest child. Tallest and shortest. Tallest, do you know now? Which one will get most big height? That is called what? Tallest. And which one will get least height? That is called shortest. That I told you, no? In the class, Miss was telling, no, who is the most tallest boy and who is the shortest girl? Miss was asking, no? Yes, you were the tallest only. Very good, huh? Very good. So here, which one is tallest here? Tell me, which one is tallest here? This one? This one? Which one? This one is, no? Yes, this one is the smallest one. And which one is the smallest one? Where? Yes, this one will be the shortest one. This one will be what? Shortest one. So, for this session, for today's session, that's it. I hope you will do all the exercise in your books and you will revise all the things. Okay? Till then, keep smiling and please do reading and keep yourself healthy. Thank you.